Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a delicious Haitian dish, rice and pigeon peas. Let's get started. Now we fry some bacon, dry shrimp, and we add some spice marinade. And I fry 2.5 cups of pigeon peas. While frying, and add piece of cream coconut and I half a liter of water in the pot. And now I add bucket of parsley and thyme for flavor. And now we prepare the rice. I take 3 cups of yellow rice. Yellow rice need more water. Now I add 1.5 liter of water. Add some cloves, cumin, oregano, and paprika. Now we add the rice in the boiling water. Make sure the rice is slightly above the water. We add some butter. Let rice absorb the water and cook properly. Now we set the table. I serve is a fresh salad, lettuce, tomato, avocado, and cucumber. Make it beautiful. I serve with chicken sauce and delicious passion fruit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. May God visit your table. See you next time. Bye bye.